Shomo Shubra and my student ID is 20230538. Welcome to my presentation of the last assessment of the group assignment. I've included the APIC group assessment cover sheet, but I have done individually, which was announced on our course sections. So before that, I want to say in assessment 2, which I already mentioned, I successfully designed and implemented a network with using Cisco. But on the assessment 3, I mean the group's assessment, it was mentioned to do a better network with the same topology and everything, because the design will work, but the later company noticed that it delays in services and poor communication between the branches and within the Melbourne plants. So they asked me to improve the network and also consider adding some secure wireless networking. So that's actually the introduction part I have over here. And then if I move to the tax one, because of less time, I have to finish within, I think, 10 minutes, right? Alright, so on tax one, I have done the routing, switching, Radeon C plus wireless networking. So what I have done is I have got the current problems, and then I have suggested some solutions and the recommendations as well. So the problems in the assessment 2 was RIP was simple but caused delays because it was old and not scalable, sorry. And switching setup used VLANs but lacked um, fast recovery protocols, which is like, yeah, pretty good. Um, Not good, sorry. And there was no redundancy, meaning single points of failure. So solutions of assessment 3. So basically the main solution will be the replacing the RIP with OSPF. So it's like, here you go, it's the beta routing options, option A and option B, and then I have done the recommendations, beta switching options, and what the issues with the current switching. So improved options I have given over here. um it's over here. And then, alright, so solution, it, what we have to do, we have to replace the RIP with OSPF, which is like every faster convergence, and then supports VLSM and scalable for large networks, which is pretty good. Improved switching with rapid PVST. So here you go, the improved rapid PVST, which is really good. And so it is faster recovery compared to STP, which is good, right? Alright, so improved switching with rapid PVST, it's done. And it also balances traffic across VLANs. And then straight in the Radeon C, we have to use HSRP for router failover. And then balance traffic across VLANs straight in Radeon C. It's like Ether channel for link aggregation. And then wireless networking, here you go, the wireless networking. The main concept is like they wanted Wi-Fi but was concerned about security. So my solution was to use a WPA3 encryption for the strongest protection, and use 82.1x authentication with radius for employees, and then set up a guest VLAN for visitors with internet only access, and monitor and detect rogue APS. So that's the recommendations of wireless strategy, everything I have done. And then, yeah, why I recommend, even though the company is concerned the wireless security, those changes will ensure Wi-Fi is safe and dependable. Alright, let's move to the tax 2. It's a secure wireless network. And I have done, it's like I have done in a part by part. So it's key concept in wireless security, network segmentation, monitoring and logging, approaches to design secure wireless networks, and everything stuff. So, for my first point was wireless is flexible but risky since signals travel in the air. And what is the risks? It's the data theft, unauthorized packet sniffing, DOS attacks, and that kind of thing. Alright, so we have secured the design approaches. So here is approaches to design and secure wireless networks. So we have to do the WPA3 enterprise. We have to do the VLAN segmentation, which is ITHR and the GAILS. Firewall rules, case cannot reach internal servers, and then access point placement, and then monitoring. That's the main concept for securing a wireless network, which is like has to be done because like this is the most important things, and if you do that, then this is the only one way to secure your network. Alright, let's move to the task 3. It's network monitoring and secure communication. Why the network monitoring is important? It's important because in like I recommend the PRTG network monitor because it's easy to use and affordable, scalable as the company grows, and provides real-time bandwidth and device monitoring. Sends alerts for the failures and the branch-to-branch communication. And the branch-to-branch communication current setup sends traffic over the public internet, which is unsafe, opposite to the site-to-site IPsec VPN. I have done the encrypts with the AE5256 and uses the authentication to ensure only company routers connect. So this is the justification of the PRTG, and the complexity which I mentioned over here is like the cost, scalability, and the resilience, with also tools and features. So I have also included a diagram which is like showing the VPN tunnel between Sydney and Melbourne. Here you go, the diagram is mentioned over here, and yeah, that's how it works. Thank you so much to see my presentation, and I hope you will do a great day. Thank you.